What's up, YouTube? It's Vaykayy here with another review. If y'all know me, y'all know I own Knotless K, which is a hair accessories brand. Here's one of my bonnets, y'all. It's double-sided satin, okay, for the extra long braids, even when you don't got long braids in, because I cut my hair in a bob. Today we're trying, well, actually I've already been trying it, so that's why I'm coming up here with a review. I've tried the Köppen, I'm not even sure how you pronounce it. The Teeth and Gums brand, a daily swish of oil for teeth and gum pulling. So this is like oil pulling. I've saw everybody online, which I also have, which is the Guru oil with the, coconut oil with the mint. But this is different. This has gluten-free, soy-free, yeast-free, dairy-free, GMO-free, preservative-free, and the oils says it's vegan. And it says we combine the power of 3 essential oils: sesame seed, clove, and nutmeg oil to defense like no other, fortifying your teeth and gums for a holistic oral wellness. Nutmeg and cloves oil bioactive compounds work together to naturally combat buildup in the mouth, promoting and clean revitalize oral biome. This combination of ingredients also promotes lymphatic health, aiding the body's natural defense mechanisms. Say this makes my mouth feel so clean, like squeaky clean. And I didn't even go to this, like I found, like my boo actually sent me this on Instagram. He wanted me to order this for him, which is a copper tooth scraper, a tongue scraper. But as I was going on there, I saw other stuff, y'all. So, like, this is originally, so we got 2 of these, which is $19.99. And they was just saying, like, it make your mouth so healthy and everything. Like, I be seeing, like, I already, actually not be seeing, I ordered this off of Amazon a while back. But it's plastic, you know? So my son uses this now. But this one is copper. And you get to, you know, pull your tongue clean, and it comes what else does it come with? Come with this cute little baggie, and basically it helps to keep your mouth cleaner. And it has been working, like I'm telling you. Like I feel the difference in my mouth as I'm washing and brushing my teeth. Yeah, so if you've been like wondering if you want to get this, if it really worked, like it really do. Oh, look at that cute little sticker. I'm gonna put that on my laptop. Okay, because we all about that healthy life. But it says you'll receive one body. Oh, dang, what's this? It's a cute little card. It says, friend, good fortune to you, friend, the science of life. The 9 human rules according to ancient Eastern literature. 1, you will receive one body. 2, you will learn many lessons. 3, there are no mistakes, only lessons. 4, a lesson is repeated until it is learned. 5, learning does not end. 6, today is your greatest gift. 7, others are merely mirrors of you. 8, what you make of your life is up to you. 9, the answers lie within you. Like, that's so beautiful, y'all. If that, this was worth that message alone, okay? Because I'm all about that. I'm about to post this on my Instagram, post this on my YouTube too. It's a little post like that. It's so cute. Okay, the answers are already within you. So yeah, y'all, this is a little combination. I love this. So I'm about to brush my teeth, y'all. Y'all don't see how I do it, okay? Then I'm gonna use this toothbrush that I got with the Guru coconut oil pulling and brush my teeth. I use this Arm & Hammer. Kind of feels weird at first. And yeah, y'all, I'm about to go in with some mouthwash. All right, see, that's enough. Not your turn right there. And there we have it, y'all. My mouth feels really clean, really clean. Okay, It feels very clean, more clean than not using it. So I'll be back up for another review within like another 2 weeks. It'll be a month of me using it. So yeah. Y'all want to try it? I think it's worth a try.